Do you want slim arms?
Yes.
Yes. Slim arms mean we have muscle as opposed to fat, right? It looks good, it makes you stronger for life. So yeah, we want slim arms. This workout we're gonna show you is gonna give you slim arms with consistency and eating right? We all have muscle under there, we just need to work it. The less fat you have, the more you're gonna see muscle. So we've got 8 exercises, we have 12 reps of each. You can tailor it to however you want. You could do one round that we're gonna do today, or you can double it up, triple it up, or do one arm at a time. We're gonna work shoulders, triceps, biceps, okay? Let's do it. Let's work that upper body. You ready, Devin?
Yup.
All right. We're gonna start with the hardest one. We're gonna start with the Arnold press. So let's go ahead, bring those elbows in at your side. Palms are in. We're gonna open and reach up. We're doing 12 reps of each. Bring it down and then rotate. That rotation is really good for your shoulders. Good. If at any time you need a break, you take a break. Open and reach. Breathe. Awesome. Halfway. How you doing? You like these?
They hurt,
They're a little hard.
but I can feel it, which is good.
It is good. So Arnold Schwarzenegger came up with this move when he was a power lifter because it gets
Really?
into all the heads of your shoulders. Yeah. It's very effective. If you don't have a lot of time, this is a great exercise to do. We're gonna do 2 more. Now, you can hold your legs like Devin, feet under hips, or like me with the kickstand. It's up to you. It's whatever you prefer. There is no right. And down. Now give me a shoulder roll. Woo! All right, hammer bicep curls. Shoulder roll here, standing nice and tall, tummy nice and tight. Ready, Deb? Try to keep those elbows right by your rib cage. Try not to swing. Biceps. Nice. Can you just feel the muscles popping, Deb?
Yeah, I can.
And we as women cannot get big bulky muscles unless we take a supplement. We will build lean muscle, not big and bulky. 3 more here. You hanging with us?
You got this.
Yeah, let's do it. 1 more. All right, we hit our biceps. Now it's time to hit our triceps. I'll show you the side view. So the movement at our elbow is what's going to work our tricep, okay? So stand up nice and tall, tip forward, bring those weights right on the top of your leg, and extend and squeeze. Don't swing. Lift and contract. That's it, come on, hang in there with us. Think about what you're working. You'll work twice as hard if you're thinking about it. Come on, you can do it. 2 more. Last one. All right, back to our shoulders, okay? Give me a little shoulder roll. Little shake out, upright rows. So long arms in front. Let's go ahead and zipper up our body, right to our chest. Lift those elbows. Again, core tight. That's it. Come on, it's worth it. We have to be proactive. Our arms aren't going to work themselves. Most of us walk, or even run, or cycle, go up and down stairs. We have to be proactive to work out our arms, don't we? It's worth it. 4 more. Come on, you can do it. Go, Deb. One more, then we're gonna flip it up overhead. Ready? And then flip. We're taking it overhead. Here we go. Press. If you get tired, one arm at a time, right? Come on, keep breathing. We're doing it. Come on, hang in there. Your core can help you here. Halfway. You getting stronger yet? Oh yeah, I can feel it. Woo! 3, 2, one more. Awesome. Shoulder roll. Feeling it. All right, back to our biceps. But we're going to hit the different bicep muscles. So we're going to do an underhand. Notice how straight my arms are. I'm not starting like this, right? I'm starting with long arms. Ready? All the way up to our shoulders. Try not to lean forward. When our bodies get tired, it tries to cheat. Don't let it. Nice long arms here, all the way down to your thighs. So this is a great routine to add on a walking day or on a lighter day, you know, hitting your upper body. That's it. 6 more. How you doing, Dubs?
Good.
We're getting it done, aren't we?
Yeah.
Woo, 4 more. 4. Come on, we can do it. 3, 2, and 1. Let's put one weight down. We're going to target the back of our arms again. So when you wave, the back of your arm doesn't wave with you. We don't want that. All right, so remember what I said. The bending of your elbow works that tricep. Take it straight up. Elbows are forward. My elbows are right by my ears. Okay? Then, elbows pointing forward. How far you come depends on how deep you want to get into that tricep. You feel it in your elbow joints, don't go down as low. Okay? Breathe. If you're tired, don't go down as low. Again, core tight, core working. Come on, we can do this. It's really worth it. You guys hanging in there with us? Woo! 3 more. We have 1 more exercise after this. 3. How you doing, Deb?
Good.
2. 1 more. And up. Grab that other weight for 1 more shoulder exercise. All right, front raise. So we're gonna hammer curl, take it straight out in front of us. Ready? Right here. Now, I always have a slight bend in my joint, in my elbow joints, right? Because I want it to go in my muscles, not my joints. Come on. Last 1. Woo! 6 more. Come on, Dad. 6. You start to feel tired? 1 at a time works well too. Come on, 4 more. 4. 3. 2. And 1. There you go. Less than 10-minute workout to work that upper body for slim arms. You want to work harder? Do round 2. You want to work harder? Do 1 arm at a time. We did it, Deb. Woo! You look great, Devin. Now, go get slim arms. Be strong for life. Thanks, you guys. See you next time.